Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is success. Success is in your aura. Continue to move forward. Continue to meet those deadlines from the timeline that you've made. Show up and show out. Make sure that you lay the right bricks for your foundation because nothing will return to you void. Spirit wants to bless you in a mighty way, but make sure you continue to put some walk behind that talk. I grow and thrive in the universe, and I discover the purity of my heart and the higher wisdom that guides me towards victory. Want to find your purpose? Fall in love with your service. I direct my thoughts towards clarity, nurture wisdom, love, and goodness that's all within me. And I'm free now, and I succeed in my life. Do not be your biggest, worst enemy, because you know all the right things that make yourself stop and stutter. I want you to continue to move forward, be that example for the world, because you are shining, and you will succeed. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.